Let's review all the multiplication strategies that we have learned, okay? And we're going to give some examples of each one. So one strategy is the zero facts. Anything times 0 equals 0. So 2 times 0 equals 0. 15 times 0 equals 0. Anything times 0 equals 0. The ones facts. Any number times 1 is itself. So 3 times 1 equals 3. And 25 times 1 equals 25. So those are some examples. Those are nice, easy ones. Doubles facts is when we just add that number to itself. We double it. When we multiply by 2, we're finding the double of that number. So again, 4 times 2, 4 doubled is 8. 10 times 2, 10 doubled is 20. And even 40 times 2, 40 doubled is 80. So all we do is double the number when we're multiplying by 2. When we do times 3, the strategy is to double and then add one more set, right? So if I was going to be doing 4 times 3, right, I would do 4 times 2 is 8, and one more set of 4 is 12. Okay, another double, that's the double. A double is, let's see if we did 5 times 6. 5 times 5 is 25, plus one more group of 5 would give me 30. All right, so you're going to double the number and then add one more set. The doubles is going to be your force facts, okay? So let's say I have 4 times 9, right? If I double 9, that's 18, and then I'm going to double it again to get 36. So that's how that works. Double 9 is 18, and then I double 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. So that would be one example. And let's see, 4 times 5. If I double 5, it's 10, and I double it again. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So that is a strategy for the 4s. Half tens are 5s, okay? So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 10 is 30. Half of that is 15. That's how that goes, but I think it's faster to count if you are learning your 5 still, counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15. That's actually going to probably be quicker than doing halves. But you can do either way. Same thing if you were doing 5 times 20. If I doubled 20 times 10 is 200, and half of that, half of 200 is 100. So that one works for those bigger numbers like that. So that would be another problem you could use a half 10 with. Half 10 plus 1 set, those are our 6s. All right, so same thing. If I was going to do 3 times 6, I could use that 3 times 5 to help me. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus one more group of 3 is going to give me 18. All right, let's say I did 7 times 6. All right, so 7 times 5 is 35, plus one more group of 7 gives me 42. All right, our doubles is our 8s facts. Those are 8 facts. So if we had 3 times 8, we would do 3 doubled is 6, and then we double that again, 12, and then we double it one more time to give us 24. All right, our double. 6, 12, 24. Let's try another one. How about 5 times 8? 5 doubled is 10. Another double is 20, and then we double 20, and we get 40. Okay, double. You're doubling it 3 times. All right, and then our 10 minus 1 set, that is 9s. All right, that's our 9s. And let's say we did 9 times 7. Okay, so I would think, well, 7 times 10 is 70, and I'm going to do 7 less. I'm going to subtract 7. I get 63. All right, another one would be, let's see, we said 9 times 12. 12 times 10 is 120, and we are going to take 12 away from that, and that's going to give us 108. And then our tens facts, tens are great. 3 times 10, we just add a 0 to the end of the number that we started with. Start with 3, we're going to stick a 0 on the end of 3. If I have 15 times 10, I'm going to take that 15 and I'm going to stick a 0 on the end of that. So that's the easiest, best way to do tens. So that is a review of all our multiplication strategies, and you're going to use some of these strategies, especially these newer ones that we just went over, when you play spinning around multiplication today.